Hey, welcome back everyone. I'm Joe, and today we're going to be making a wooden holiday display box or a wooden centerpiece box. I didn't even know what this was until my wife asked me to make it for her, so don't feel bad if you don't know what it is either. It's a really easy project, only requires one piece of wood, a saw, a hammer, and some nails, and then possibly some stain or paint if you want to use that as well, but you don't have to. And as you can see behind me, there's snow on the ground, so it's a good time to be inside doing projects like this, and it's a really easy project, but we really like the way it turns out, so let's get started. For this project, you'll need a 1" by 4" by 6 foot piece of wood, and you're gonna cut 3 16.5" pieces and 2 5" pieces. Now you can see I'm measuring and marking my wood here, and then I'm going to use a square to strike my lines. Now I'm using scrap wood, but if you're using the 6 foot piece, you're just gonna make your marks on there and cut them off as you go. And you can use a compound miter saw or just a hand saw, whatever you have available will work. Now after you get your pieces cut, you'll see that they'll make a box. And I'm using a brad nailer here, but again, you can use a hammer and nails, whatever you have available. I just like to use the brad nailer, so I use it whenever I get a chance. You're just gonna put that together, and you really don't need glue because you don't need it to be extremely strong. After that's done, you're gonna give it a good sanding, and you always want to wear a dust mask, glasses, and hearing protection for this. Give it a good sanding, make sure there aren't any splinters on it anywhere. Then at this point, you want to rough it up a little bit, maybe use a hammer, a screwdriver, maybe a nail, whatever you might have available to rough it up, make it look a little bit weathered. After you do that, go ahead and put a nice coating of painting on it, and I went with white, or you could even stain it. And then after it's dried, grab some sandpaper. I used a coarse grain 60, and roughed it up a little bit to make it look weathered and old a little bit, so you can see the paint's off a little bit on the edge and off on the corner, just to make it look a little bit roughed up and not brand new. Then at that point, all you have to do is decorate it. We put some potpourri and a couple decorations in there, made it look really cool for the holidays, and I think it turned out really well, and I think you'll enjoy it as well. Please let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and until next time, good luck and take care.